What's up, guys? Today's video, I'm going to talk about how much money I actually make as an international student living in South Korea. And just to give you a quick background, I am currently studying Korean language on a D4 visa, and I've been in Korea for about a year and a month, maybe. I'll just say a year. I came in 2023, and today is 30th December 2024. So, uh, First, let's start by mentioning that Korea is the best country. I love Korea. I'm going to be direct with my figures. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to go around the corners. I'll be honest about everything. So, firstly, I want to give you a quick round. When I came to Korea, my friend, my very good friend, my best friend, gave me a job where I was teaching English for about, I think, if not 16 hours, or less than 16 hours, and I was making about 1 million Korean won. And trust me, that was a lot of money. A lot of money for me. I'd never had so much life-changing money. Yeah, that's how much I was making. And when around that time, I think I could not save much because I was spending. I spent my first salary buying this camera, and I've not used it for the whole year, but that's why I'm restarting content and trying to make more life-changing content that can help many people. I'm going to tell you this: South Korea is the best country. Of course, there's language barriers and everything that you see online. People telling don't come to South Korea, don't come to South Korea, this. But I'm telling you, if you're from Africa, from Europe, or from anywhere, just come to South Korea. Find a place to come. If you want me to help you, send me a message. I'm going to show you how to come to South Korea the easiest way. So, with that being said, let me get into the video. So, I was making 1 million Korean won for some months, but something went on at work where I think I was a little bit too strict with the kids when they were learning English. Don't mind my hair. When they were learning English, I think I was strict, and they didn't want me to be strict. Like, I would tell the kids to read, not just, like, do nothing, like. I was taking it serious. So then my friend told me, actually, you took it a little bit serious. It's just more like for fun. So the boss didn't want me back. And yeah, I was actually depressed for like 2 months, but I was having some other jobs. Then my friend again, very good friend, he gave me another job now. This job I work on Fridays. So remember, the first job I was making 1 million. But while I was working and having that 1 million, on Saturdays, I used to go for volunteering. And when I used to go for volunteering, they used to pay us about maybe I would say like 70,000 Korean won for going every Saturday for about 2 hours. Yeah, every Saturday, 4 times a month for about 2 hours. Is my camera recording? Wait, I gotta pause. Is it recording? Wait, I don't know if it's recording. Oh yeah, it's recording. It just blacked out. So yeah. Then, what else? They used to give us that 70,000 won. It used to help me a lot. And the first 6 months they invested much. I wasn't paying any health insurance or anything like that. Then, I was also having extra income, like attending Bible study. They would give us some money. Yeah, because they want you to attend Bible study and they'll give you money. But if you're not Christian, don't worry. Then, on top of that, when I changed jobs, now I work on Friday. I work about 6 hours every Friday, and then I also work 1 hour on Thursday. Now, listen up. So, sorry, my Bible strict because I have to study for my Bible. So, on that time, I am teaching and I'm in school. I love the job. Of course, a little bit stressing, but the money they give me sometimes is like 800,000 Korean won. I don't know how much I work for an hour. I think it's 30,000 Korean won per hour, but that's how much I work for. Then I also have other sources of income. So I only work on Friday, and on Friday when I work, they pay me on Friday and Thursday. The same academy, they pay me 860,000 Korean won. That's a lot of money. On the other academy, I was working almost every day, and I was only making 1 million, and it was so far. Then on Saturday, I have a class from 10 to 12. I have 2 classes actually, sorry. And those 2 classes, they pay me about 220,000 Korean won, which is a lot of money. I'm telling you, it's a lot of money. Yeah, that's the amount they pay me. And then on Sunday after church, I have another class where I teach kids. And that one, they pay me about 100,000 Korean won, but now it's gonna drop because I only have 3 kids anymore, because I used to have like 5 or 6 kids. Yeah, so that's a bit of roundup of how much I've made. So if you guys want to see more videos, please post the comments, tell me what I need to change and what I need to improve. I know right now there are no captions, and I apologize for that, but I hope you guys can come to Korea, can visit, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, because I want more income, because I'm gonna move to a new different city, and it's gonna be stressing, no money, because it's gonna be hard for me to find a job. So if you need me to talk about anything, reach out to me. My Instagram is offline scapegoat. Offline scapegoat. Yeah, on Instagram you'll find me there. My email, you'll find it. Yeah, on TikTok, POV South Korea, you can still send me a text. Yeah, sorry that my YouTube is anonymous. Like, it's just weird, because I just post random shows to try and find one that can go viral. But I'll try and stick to this niche. I'll talk about this. I'll talk about my life. Yeah, that was writing a test. It was so hard, guys. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you can subscribe, and I hope you have, any questions, you can leave them. I'm going to reply. I'll be glad to help. I really want to help, and I hope you guys can understand that. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I really appreciate, and I hope these figures can help you and your dream to come to South Korea. If you have any questions, just feel free to reach out to me. I'll give you the information, I'll give you the opportunities. And if you want to ask me how I managed to survive, yeah, because my tuition is so low. I pay like 660,000 Korean won, which is like $400, $500. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.